Listen and point. Repeat. Open your book. Open your book. Open your book. Close your book. Close your book. Hands up. Hands up. Hands up. Hands down. Hands down. Open your book. Open your book. Yes, teacher. Open your book. Yes, teacher. Feelings. Feelings. Happy. Happy. Sad. Sad. Fine. Fine. Okay. Okay. Great, Thảo. Great. Great. How are you? I'm great. How are you? I'm happy. How are you? I'm sad. How are you? I'm okay. Letter N, sound N. N, N. Nut. N, N, nut. N, N, nose. Nut, nose. This is a nut. N, N, nut. This is a nut. N, N, N. Good job. Now let's move on next part. Scared. Scared. Bored. Bored. Hungry. Hungry. Thirsty. 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 Lumps bored. Knees thirsty. V scared. John's hungry. John's hungry. Good. Các con tự đọc thật to nha. Shapes. Shapes. Circle. What shape is it? It's a circle. What color is the circle? Yes, it is pink. A pink circle. Good. What shape is it? Yes, it is a square. So what color is the square? Yes, it is orange. An orange square. Good. What shape is it? Rectangle. Yes, it is a rectangle. What color is this shape? Yes, red rectangle. What shape is it? Triangle. What color is this triangle? Green triangle. Well done. What shape is it? What shape is it? It's a circle. Letter P sound P. Letter P sound P. P, pen. P, pen. P, penguin. P, penguin. 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 I have a pen. Pen. I have a pen. Ok, các con tự luyện đọc thật to rõ ràng cho cô nha. Good job, well done. Chúng ta sẽ cùng nhau ôn tập sang phần cuối cùng, đó là numbers. Numbers. 11. 11. 11. 11. Số này là một trong những số khó đọc nhất. 12, 12, 12, 12, 12, 13, 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15, 15. Good. Now, let's say aloud all the numbers on their own. Tự các con đọc lại nha. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Good. Các con luyện viết cho cô các số nha. Bye bye guys.